Want to program a key fob for your 2002 Chevy Astro? It's a simple DIY process that takes about 5 to 10 minutes. These vans use a fixed code system, so no special tools are needed. All you need is your key and the new or existing key fob you want to pair with your van. The key fob remote controls functions such as locking, unlocking doors, and activating the panic alarm. Newer vehicles use rolling code encryption, but these models do not. Close all doors and insert the key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position for 5 seconds, then turn it back to off and remove the key. Within 10 seconds, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously until the vehicle responds with a horn honk or lights flashing twice. Release the buttons, then immediately press the lock button once to program the fob. Repeat steps 3 to 4 for additional fobs. Up to 4 can be programmed. Finally, test by locking and unlocking doors from outside the vehicle. If programming fails, clear all codes by turning the ignition to on and holding the unlock button for 30 seconds.